Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about helping you achieve your fitness goals. If you're looking to gain muscle and boost your body's mass, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that's often overlooked: high-protein vegetables. Yes, you heard that right. These plant-based powerhouses are not only packed with essential nutrients, but also offer a surprising protein punch. Stick around to discover the top 5 high-protein vegetables that can help you on your muscle-building journey. Let's get started. Kicking off our list is the mighty broccoli. This versatile veggie isn't just for salads. It's a protein-packed option too. With around 3 grams of protein per cup, broccoli provides a great foundation for muscle growth. Next up, we have Popeye's favorite, spinach. With about 5 grams of protein per cooked cup, spinach is a nutritional powerhouse that not only helps with muscle development, but also supports overall health. Moving along, we have peas. Don't let their size fool you. These little green gems pack a protein punch of around 8 grams per cup when cooked. Incorporating peas into your meals can give your muscles a nice boost. Now let's talk about Brussels sprouts. These mini cabbages offer approximately 4 grams of protein per cup when cooked. Plus, they're rich in vitamins and minerals that are essential for your fitness journey. Last but not least, we have asparagus. With roughly 4 grams of protein per cup when cooked, asparagus is not only delicious, but also a great way to support your muscle-building goals. Incorporating these high-protein vegetables into your diet can make a real difference in your muscle-building journey. Remember, a well-rounded diet that includes a variety of protein sources, including plant-based options, is key to achieving your goals. But that's not all. These vegetables also bring along a range of other benefits. They're rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals that contribute to your overall well-being. Plus, they can help keep you feeling full and satisfied, which is essential when you're aiming to gain mass. So there you have it, our top 5 high-protein vegetables for gaining muscle and boosting your body's mass. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and advice. Also, let us know in the comments which vegetable you're excited to include in your next meal. Thanks for watching, and remember, your fitness journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep pushing, keep eating right, and we'll catch you in the next video. Stay strong, stay healthy, and stay dedicated. See you soon.